Revoking app location permission on your Samsung Galaxy stops the app from knowing your whereabouts, even while running in the background. This protects your privacy and potentially saves battery life. Here's how it's done on your Galaxy phone. Pull up the app drawer and tap on the Settings app icon. Swipe up a bit to find location, and once found, tap on it. Tap App Permissions. On the next screen, look for the app you want to revoke the permission for and tap on it. Among the three options, select Don't Allow. This will immediately revoke the app's location permission. However, if you don't want to revoke its access completely, select Ask every time. This will give you the option to allow or disallow the app every time you use it. If there are other apps you want to revoke the location permission, just go back to the previous screen and do the same. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.